Hey everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm excited to show you how to crochet a unique granny square pattern that has a 3D effect when you join multiple squares together. It's a fun and creative way to add a texture and dimension to your projects like blankets, pillows or bags. Let's get started. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 2.5mm crochet hook to make this. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then we will insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to chain 5. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. 3, 4 and 5. And then we will work 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, this is the second one. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets here. We need to make once more. Alright, now we have completed 3 double crochets and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work another 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, and 3. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. If you feel the same, you can just pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller like this, and then we will continue working. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. And then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 2 double crochets into the magic ring. 1 and 2. And then we can pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then join the round by working a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. We will get started with round 2. Now we need to move the loop into the chain 3 space at the corner here. So we will work a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. So insert the hook into the chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we move the loop and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 2 double crochets inside the same chain 3 space. 1 and 2. Then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 3 double crochets inside the same chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have completed the first corner. And then we will go into the next chain 3 space here and work the second corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 3 more double crochets inside the same chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. And then we are going to move into the next chain 3 space here and work another set of 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we have completed that corner as well. Then we will work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point to join the round like this. Now we have completed the second round as well. I'm going to cut the yarn off. So chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off, because we are going to start the third round with a different color. This is what it looks like. We will start with round 3. I'm going to insert the hook into any one of these corners and attach the second color that is a bit lighter than the first color. And then we will pull the yarn through the space and then chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. And then we need to work 2 double crochets inside the same chain 3 space. 1 and 2. And then we will go into the space in between the two sets here and work 3 double crochets into that space. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to create this corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we have created the corner there, and then work 3 double crochets into the space in between the sets here. 1, 2 and 3. And then we reach the next corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets inside that space as well. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have completed the third round. And then we will get started with round 4. For that, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn the work around like this. And then we need to work 3 double crochets in this space here. 1, 2 and 3. Then work 3 more double crochets inside the next space in between the two sets here. 1, 2 and 3. Now we reach the corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we have completed the corner. And then work 3 double crochets into this space here. 1, 2, 3. And then go into the space in between the two sets here and work another 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will go into the third chain from the starting point of the previous round and work 1 double crochet. This is the third chain, and work a double crochet into that chain. Now I'm going to cut the yarn because we are going to join another color from here. So chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed so far. And then we will get started with round 5. There I'm going to join another light blue color. So we will go into this space here and attach the new color into that space. So pull the yarn through the space here and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work 2 double crochets inside the same space by working over this tail. 1 and 2. And then I'm going to work 3 double crochets into each one of these 2 spaces. Now we reach the corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we have completed the corner, and then go into these 2 spaces and work 3 double crochets in each of the space. Now we reach the next corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets in this space as well. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have completed the round 5. This is what it looks like. And then we will get started with round 6. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn your work around, and then work 3 double crochets in each one of these 3 spaces. Now we reach the corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. After completing the corner, I'm going to work 3 double crochets into each one of these 3 spaces here as well. Now work 1 double crochet into the third chain from the starting point of the previous round here. And then I'm going to cut the yarn from this point. So chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we have completed round 6 as well. And then we will see how to create the outline of the project. I'm going to use the white yarn to create the outline. So go into this space here and pull the white yarn through the space and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, and then work 2 double crochets into the same space. One and 2. Now we need to work 3 double crochets in each one of these 3 spaces here. Now we reach the corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. And then again continue working 3 double crochets into each one of these 3 spaces here. Now we reach the next corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now I have completed the second corner as well. And then we will go into each one of these 3 spaces and work 3 double crochets into each one of the space. And then we reach the third corner here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now work 3 double crochets into each one of these 3 spaces. Now we reach the first corner of the work. There we need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point of the round. Now chain 1, leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the granny square. This is what it looks like. And then we can use the yarn needle to hide all these tails at the back of the work. There you have it. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this 3D granny square. Be sure to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Happy crocheting and we'll see you in the next time.